Everyone eats bananas, but almost no one realizes the massive system behind this everyday fruit. It looks simple, just peel and eat. But what if I told you that producing millions of tons every year is a high-pressure operation where timing, precision, and teamwork decide everything? Welcome back to Agriculture Insight. Today, we're stepping into a hidden world, one that begins in some of the largest banana farms on Earth and ends on your table. But here's the twist. Bananas aren't harvested when they're ripe. They're cut while still green. Why? Because one mistake in timing can destroy entire shipments before they even reach the market. And this is where the real challenge begins. Harvesting bananas is both an art and a science. Each bunch can weigh between 30 to 50 kilograms, making it far heavier than it looks. Workers move carefully through the fields, armed with sharp machetes or specialized knives. One wrong cut, and the fruit is damaged. That's why teamwork is critical. One worker cuts the massive bunch while another supports its full weight, preventing it from crashing to the ground. It's a synchronized effort where skill and experience matter at every second. But harvesting is only half the battle. Once cut, the bananas must be moved quickly, and this is where things get interesting. Carrying such heavy loads manually across large farms will be exhausting and inefficient. So instead, farms rely on an ingenious system, the cableway transport network. Imagine hundreds of banana bunches hanging from hooks, gliding smoothly through the air across vast plantations. It looks simple, but it's a game-changing innovation. This system allows massive quantities of bananas to move quickly with minimal handling, reducing damage and saving time. More importantly, it protects the fruit from heat and humidity, two factors that can accelerate spoilage. In this system, speed equals survival, because the longer bananas stay exposed, the higher the risk of loss. And just like that, what once required intense manual labor is transformed into a highly efficient operation. But the journey doesn't stop there. Once the bananas reach the processing area, another critical stage begins. Workers carefully cut large clusters into smaller bunches called hands, the familiar groups you see in stores. Then comes cleaning. High-pressure water jets blast away dirt and sap, followed by soaking in large tanks to ensure complete hygiene. It may look routine, but this step is crucial, because even the smallest impurity can affect quality. And here's the surprising part. Despite all modern technology, much of this process is still done by hand. Skilled workers inspect every bunch, ensuring only the best make it forward. Their attention to detail is what maintains quality at such a massive scale. After cleaning, the bananas are carefully packed into cushioned boxes, designed to protect them during long journeys. These boxes are labeled and stored in temperature-controlled environments, slowing ripening and preserving freshness before shipping worldwide. But not all bananas are destined to stay fresh. Some take a completely different path. And this is where transformation begins. Selected bananas are peeled, sliced into thin rounds, and deep-fried in hot oil until they turn golden and crispy. This is how banana chips are born, a simple fruit transformed into a long-lasting snack enjoyed globally. But even here, precision matters. Oil temperature must be controlled perfectly. Too hot, and the chips burn. Too cool, and they turn soggy. After frying, excess oil is removed and flavors like salt, sugar, or honey are added to match market demand. Finally, the chips are sealed in airtight packaging to preserve their crunch and extend shelf life. And when you step back and look at the entire process, from harvesting heavy bunches to high-tech transport and transformation, you realize something powerful. This isn't just a fruit. It's a complex, high-speed system driven by precision, teamwork, and innovation. So the next time you eat a banana or snack on banana chips, remember, behind that simple taste lies a journey far more intense than you ever imagined. And just when you think bananas have revealed everything, the story goes even deeper. Because beyond harvesting and processing lies an entire system built on patience, survival, and constant care. Bananas aren't just grown, they're protected. In massive tropical regions like Ecuador, the Philippines, India, and parts of Central and South America, farmers fight a silent battle against weather, pests, and time itself. These plants thrive only under perfect conditions, warm temperatures, high humidity, and carefully managed soil. But even then, nothing is guaranteed. That's why each banana cluster is covered with protective bags, shielding it from insects, harsh sunlight, and unexpected damage. It may look simple, but it's a calculated defense system designed to preserve quality. And here's where the real journey begins, long before harvest. Banana farming starts with small offshoots, carefully cultivated in controlled environments until they're strong enough to survive in open fields. Then comes planting, a stage where precision matters more than speed. Skilled workers dig and position each sapling by hand, ensuring proper spacing, sunlight, and soil balance. One mistake here, and the entire growth cycle is affected. But modern farms don't rely on labor alone. Specialized machines now assist workers, transporting them across vast fields, increasing efficiency while reducing physical strain. It's a perfect blend of human expertise and machine support. And once planted, the real responsibility begins. Farmers must constantly monitor water levels, nutrients, and plant health. Irrigation systems deliver just the right amount of water, while fertilization keeps the plant strong. Pruning removes dead leaves, allowing sunlight to reach the fruit. And all the while, farmers remain alert, watching for pests and diseases that could destroy entire crops. Because bananas take time, 9 to 12 months of continuous care before they're ready. And even then, the cycle never stops. As one batch is harvested, another begins to grow. It's an endless loop driven by effort and precision. But just when you think bananas are the end of the story, another fruit quietly enters the scene. Pineapple. And its journey is even more demanding. Pineapples don't grow overnight. In fact, they require extreme patience. 18 to 24 months for a single fruit to fully develop. That's nearly 2 years of waiting. In places like Indonesia, where the climate is perfect, farmers begin with something surprising. The crown of the fruit itself. That leafy top you usually throw away, it becomes the start of a brand new plant. It's almost unbelievable. These crowns are planted carefully, spaced out so each plant has room to grow without interference. Because overcrowding can affect quality. And once planted, the waiting game begins. Pineapples demand constant care, watering, fertilizing, and protection from pests. Farmers monitor them closely, adjusting conditions to ensure steady growth. It's a slow, quiet process, but one that requires discipline and patience. And then comes a moment of truth, harvest. But here's the danger. Pineapple plants are covered in sharp, spiky leaves that can easily injure workers. Harvesting isn't just hard work. It's risky. Workers must carefully navigate through these natural defenses, cutting each fruit at exactly the right time. Because just like bananas, timing is everything. Too early and the fruit lacks sweetness. Too late and it loses value. And when you step back and look at this entire journey, from banana fields to pineapple farms, you realize something powerful. These fruits aren't just grown, they're earned through patience, precision, and relentless effort. So the next time you eat a banana or enjoy a slice of pineapple, remember, behind that simple taste lies a story of struggle, time, and dedication that most people never see, and just when the moment finally arrives, the real challenge begins. Harvest time for pineapples isn't simple, it's intense. Farmers gear up with gloves, long sleeves, and sometimes face coverings, preparing themselves for a job that's far more dangerous than it looks. Because these plants don't make it easy. Their sharp, spiky leaves act like natural defenses, ready to cut into anyone careless enough to rush the process. And here's the truth. Timing is everything. Pineapples reach their peak sweetness at a very precise moment. Too early, and the fruit lacks flavor. Too late, and it becomes soft, overripe, and nearly worthless. There's no room for error. Farmers rely on years of experience, instinct, and sometimes even a quick taste test to make the final decision. Then comes the cut. Using sharp knives or shears, each pineapple is carefully separated from the plant, avoiding the razor-like leaves surrounding it. But even after harvesting, the story doesn't end. The base of the plant is often left intact, quietly preparing to produce another fruit in the next cycle. It's a continuous loop, slow, demanding, and unforgiving. And while tradition still dominates, modern technology has begun stepping in. Specialized machinery now supports the harvesting process, boosting efficiency and reducing the physical strain on workers. But here's where the pressure spikes again, because once the pineapples are collected, the clock starts ticking. Fresh pineapples don't last long. It becomes a race against time to move them into processing facilities before quality begins to drop. And inside those factories, everything moves fast. Conveyors, washers, sorters, peelers. It's a controlled chaos of machines working in perfect coordination. Each pineapple rolls through different stages, like part of a high-speed assembly line. Some are selected for fresh export, but many are transformed, cut, peeled, and processed into canned pineapple, juice, or dried snacks that can travel across the world. Every fruit is inspected. Only the best move forward. Those destined for juice are crushed into sweet, tangy liquid, while others are sliced into perfect rings or chunks, ready to fill can that will sit on supermarket shelves thousands of miles away. The speed is incredible. Fresh fruit turning into packaged products in record time. And this isn't just about food, it's about survival. Pineapples are a major economic force, especially in countries like Indonesia, where they generate massive revenue and support countless jobs across farming, processing, and distribution. Every slice, every bite contributes to livelihoods. But beyond economics, pineapples carry cultural meaning too. They symbolize hospitality, warmth, and abundance. They appear in celebrations in kitchens and in everyday life, adding a burst of tropical flavor to both sweet and savory dishes. And when you step back and look at the full journey, from dangerous harvest to high-speed factories, you realize something powerful. This isn't just a fruit. It's a story of patience, risk, precision, and human effort. So the next time you take a bite of pineapple or open a can of juice, pause for a moment, because behind that sweet, refreshing taste lies a journey filled with challenges most people never see. And if this story surprised you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay with us, because there's always more happening behind the scenes than you think.